So today I'm pulling my old boat out of the water. Got a new boat, it's beautiful, but it's time for the old one to come out of the water. But first I had to replace the bunks on the trailer. And I did one side of them, and then I realized we had a problem. So let me show you what that problem is, and I'm gonna see if I can't find a way to fix it, because this is not what you want. So here's my old trailer. These are 20-foot 2x6s, and you can see how this one is at an angle, which is good, but this one, especially right here, is not. Down there, it's at a decent angle, but right here, it isn't. And what that could mean is the pontoon sits right on that, and as it goes down the road, it could come off. Likewise, on the other side, it's got a good one on the inside, but the other side is bent too. Now this is steel, guys. This is not something you can just grab and bend. So you see the difference there. That's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it's actually looking like. So I need to, and look, this one's even worse. I need to come up with a way using some leverage to pull those back up. I got a couple ideas, so let's see what works. So my first try was this 2-inch wide, 1,000-pound ratchet strap. As I expected, it didn't really do anything. A lot of it's the angle's wrong. It's just kind of pulling it that way. It's not pulling it up. So I have to devise a better way to do that if I'm going to do that. Meanwhile, I took some scrap iron steel that I had and bolted it, tightened it down tight to that. And I don't think that me standing here and picking up on it is going to do the trick. I think what I'm going to end up doing is putting a floor jack right there, raising that up, and then beating on it from the top to try and put some weight on it, and then beat down on it to try and lift it up. We'll see what happens. Wouldn't you know it, I bolted a piece to it and just grabbed it and picked up on it, which I'm going to show you here in a second on the other one, and that seemed to work. All right, so I did one side, now I'm going down and doing the other, and you can see this is still too flat. But same magic, a little bit of effort with a little bit of leverage. You can move the world. You'll notice that I was able to do this without removing the whole board. I just had to loosen it some, and then I was able to make that change. Worked great. That's a lot better. I might want to see if I can go a tiny bit more, but that's much better. There's a definite V there. It's more pronounced when you're looking at it, but it's not likely going to slide off that side, especially with it being nestled in on the other side. You can do it. We can help. That's what we're here for. We're here to help. Teach you a little bit, and mostly teach you to be confident and think. My mom always said that people weren't stupid, they were just never taught how to think. And I think that's very accurate. So Mom, here's to you. I'm trying to teach people how to think in your memory. Well, it was easier than I thought. And just like I said, with a little bit of thinking and a little bit of leverage, you can move the world. If this helped you at all, please give us a like, a subscribe, a comment, a share. Have a great day.